Hello my dear students, in an earlier video we discussed about the earth, the solar system, the movement of the earth, that is the two movement of the earth, rotation and revolution. Today we are going to discuss about the layers of the earth. Earth is a rocky planet and also earth is a blue planet because it consists of mainly 70% of water and 30% of the land. So from the outer space, if you look, earth looks like blue in color because 70% of the earth is covered with water. Also the atmosphere surrounds the earth, so the life on the earth is possible. The life on the earth is also possible because of the earth crust. Earth is a rocky planet. Mostly the surface of the earth is generally covered with rocks, so it is also called the rocky planet. Scientists believe that earth is formed from molten rocks, that it took around million of million years for the molten rock to cool down and settle on the surface of the earth, and hence the life on the earth is possible. You might have seen the vegetation, that is the plants and the animals and us surviving because the earth has now become a cool planet. Now let's start with the chapter, and in this chapter we are going to discuss about the earth, what the inside of the earth looks like, and also about the layers of the earth. So earth is a very hot planet, and so the earth is very hot from inside. The earth is very hot from inside. You might have seen in many areas volcanic eruption takes place. This is nothing but the molten rock. It comes out through the weaker surface, and this weaker surface is nothing but the volcano. Along with the molten rocks, ashes and gases comes out, and they settle on the surface of the earth, and gradually they cool down and becomes a hard rock. It took around millions of years for the earth to cool down and settle, and so that the life on the earth can be existed. So this molten rock which comes out from the inside the surface of the earth signifies that earth is still hot from inside and it is cooler from outside. That is the surface of the earth where we live, it is cooler. So what are the three layers of the earth? Generally the earth consists of three layers. What is that? The outer layer is called the crust, the middle layer is called the mantle, the third layer, that is the core, is divided into two, that is the inner core and the outer core. This is the earth, and you can see the earth is slightly flattened towards the north pole and the south pole. In this diagram you can see clearly the three layers of the earth. First is the crust, second is the mantle, the third is the core, and is divided into two, the outer core and the inner core. The outer core and the inner core. The inner core is the innermost part. So we will discuss one by one how it looks like. Firstly the crust. You can see the dotted part. This is the crust where we live. That is where the plants and the animals can grow. The forest, the land, the seas, mountains, everything exists on the crust. And this is the layer, this is the cooler and the outer layer of the earth's surface. And as we go inside, it is very hot. So the crust is the outermost surface of the earth and it is called crust. We live on the outer cool portion of the earth, and it is called the crust of the earth. Sea, mountains, desert, forest all lie on the crust. It is relatively light and brittle. And it is covered with rocks, soil, sand particles. And here on the surface of the earth we can have earthquakes, volcanic eruption and other natural calamities we can experience on the surface of the earth. Inner to the crust we can find the mantle. The mantle is the middle layer of the earth, and in the region below the crust and extending down to the core, and it is in the middle between the crust and the core. The mantle is made up of very hot molten rocks. The mantle is made up of very hard molten rock, and it is very hot. Mantle is very hot. The outer crust was not hot, it was cooler, but the molten is very hot. The innermost layer is called the core. It is beneath the mantle, and it is the earth core, means the inside of the earth, the core of the earth, and it is at the center of the earth. It is generally divided into two, that is the outer core and the inner core. The outer core is the outer core surrounds the inner core, and the inner core is the center of the earth, and the center of the earth is mainly solid, that it consists of the iron and nickel. But the outer core, it consists of in the molten form. The rock is in molten form, and it consists of iron with some amount of nickel. The iron, it's present on the earth so that the gravitational pull of the earth is there. It is the iron in the core which generates the earth magnetic field. Because of this iron, the earth's magnetic field is generated. The core is very hot part of the earth, that it is the hottest part of the earth, and it is made up of generally the molten metals, that is the nickel and the iron. So today we discussed about the earth, that is the earth is made up of rocks, basically the rocks, and we discussed about the three layers of the earth, that is the crust, mantle and the core. And core is divided into two, that is the inner core and the outer core. Thank you.